Hello, I'm Shannon. Today I'm going to grow chili pepper microgreen. I didn't buy chili pepper seeds to do that. When I cook Sichuan dish dried pepper chicken, I need to cut 2 ounces or 57 grams of dried chili pepper. And I gathered many seeds from there. Soak chili pepper seeds for 4 hours, or you can sow without soaking. Layer a growing tray at least 1 inch thick. Spread seeds. Cover with a thin layer of soil. Water thoroughly. Then water slightly every day. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8. Day 10. Day 14. And it's time to harvest. Thank you for watching. I'm Shannon. See you next time.